4, 5, and 6, and a whole bunch of the rest of this has to do when you have a negative exponent. If you have the negative exponent, they'll say something like x to the negative m. To get rid of the negative exponent and make it positive, you do the reciprocal, 1 over x to the positive m. So if I have a fraction, the reciprocal of my fraction, 5/7, would be making it 7/5. So this could be written as 7/5 to the positive 2 exponent. Now if I square that, 7 squared is 49, 5 squared is 25. Again, if I wanted to check that with my calculator, I would put in parentheses 5 fractions sevenths, and then I'd use the caret key to the negative 2 power. Now what shows up on your calculator screen when you do that?
25 over 49.
It gives you 25 over 49 once you change your, or no, it doesn't. Shouldn't. Did you do negative 2 power?
So 5 over 7?
Do 5 over 7 to the negative 2. That's the original problem.
Okay, 5 over 7. I didn't do the negative.
Ah. So if you don't do the negative, it won't flip it upside down. If you do the negative, what do you get?
I get 1/24 over 2.
And then if you change that into the improper fraction by hitting Shift and the fraction button,
Shift in the fraction.
yep. Shift in the ABC.
Oh yeah, 49.
There's the 49/25. So the negative flips your fraction and makes the exponent positive, and then I'm just really squaring both of those. This is on chapter 4 if you haven't grabbed that packet off the counter.
Okay.
So number 5, if I want to do 2/3 to the negative 3 power, if I'm not doing it with my calculator, since my exponent is negative, I do the reciprocal of my base. The reciprocal of 2/3 would be
3 seconds.
3 over 2, and then they make my exponent a positive 3. Now I just cube both of my numbers. 3 to the 3rd power would be 27, and 2 to the 3rd power would be 8. So I would have 27 over 8. But again, if you want to check it with your calculator, you would do the 2/3 to the negative 3 power. If it gives you the mixed number, you then change it to the improper fraction. So number 6, if I have 2/9 to the negative 1 power, again my exponent is negative, so the first thing I do is the reciprocal. The reciprocal would be 9 over 2. That makes it to the positive 1 power, and if it's to the first power, it's going to stay the same thing. 9 over 2.
Okay, and that top one, what is that? Like the end part? Or
This
like,
is
what
how
does that
you
mean?
punch it into your calculator.
Oh, okay.
If you want to put it into your calculator,